Welcome to Learn English Daily.
Doctor and patient conversation.
Good morning.
Good morning, doctor.
What is the problem?
I feel very tired.
Since when?
For 5 days.
Do you have fever?
Yes, a little.
Any cough or cold?
Yes, cough only.
How is your sleep?
I sleep late.
Do you eat on time?
No, not always.
That is not good.
I understand.
Drink more water. I will give medicine.
Okay, doctor.
Take rest and come back next week.
Thank you so much.